Demystifying the ACT, Social Science Passages. Hello, learners! Today, we're diving into the reading test segment of the ACT. Specifically, we will be uncovering the ins and outs of the social science passages. If you've ever been puzzled about what to expect from this section, this video is just for you. The Social Science Passages section is one of the 4 types of passages you'll encounter in the ACT reading test. It encompasses a range of topics from anthropology to economics, geography, history, political science, and more. These passages might present findings from research, debates in the field, or historical events and their implications. When tackling these passages, it's helpful to be aware of their general structure. Introduction. This might give background or set the context for the discussion. Main body. Here you'll find the main arguments, evidence, or data presented. Conclusion. This wraps up the ideas presented, sometimes with a forward-looking statement or implication. Look out for authors' opinions, as these passages can often present a certain perspective or stance on an issue. 1. Context is key. Don't get bogged down by jargon or unfamiliar terms. Instead, focus on the overall message and context. 2. Summarize. After reading a paragraph or section, try to summarize its main idea in your head. This will help you better answer questions later. 3. Active engagement. As you read, ask yourself questions. What's the main point? How does this information connect to what I've read before? Engaging actively can help with comprehension. 4. Answer order. Remember that the questions often follow the order of the passage. If you're stuck on a question, move on and come back later. The next question might just give you a hint. The world of social sciences is vast and intriguing. As you practice more and become familiar with the social science passages, you'll be better equipped to handle them with confidence on test day. Keep practicing, and remember, every challenge you overcome gets you one step closer to acing the ACT. Happy studying!